Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class we have discussed definition of relative topology and subspace and solved some examples on relative topology. Okay, now I am going to discuss some theorems on relative topology. Theorem: to show that relative topology U is a topology for Y. Let X tau be a topological space and Y belongs to X. Let U be a relative topology for Y of X. Here we have to show that U is a topology for Y. Since here U is a relative topology for Y, since Y intersection X equals Y. Y is the element of X. Y intersection X is Y. Therefore, Y belongs to U. Relative topology nothing but Y intersection members of tau. Okay, now take Y intersection pi. Y intersection pi is again a pi. Therefore, phi also belongs to U. Two conditions are holds good. Suppose A and B are members of U, then we have to show that their intersection is also belongs to U. Let A comma B belongs to U. U equals Y intersection every member of tau. To show that A intersection B belongs to U, let us take A equals Y intersection C, where C is a member of tau, and B equals Y intersection D, where D is member of tau. We have A intersection B equals Y intersection C intersection Y intersection D. This can be written as Y intersection C intersection D. This implies Y intersection C belongs to tau, D belongs to tau, tau is a topology, C intersection D also belongs to tau. Therefore, Y intersection every member of tau. This implies A intersection B belongs to U. Hence, it is closed under finite intersection. Okay, let collection of AI such that I belongs to I, this collection belongs to U. Here we have to show that union of this collection is also member of U. Okay, we have AI equals Y intersection UI belongs to tau. Union of AI such that union of collection of AI such that I belongs to I equals union of AI nothing but Y intersection UI such that I belongs to I. That is, this can be written as Y intersection union of UI such that I belongs to I. Since UI belongs to tau and tau is a topology for Y on X, we have union of UI belongs to tau, because arbitrary union of UI is also member of tau. That is, Y intersection union of UI such that I belongs to U. Therefore, union of Y intersection UI nothing but Y intersection UI nothing but AI. That is union of AI such that I belongs to U. Hence, arbitrary union of UI is again a member of U. Therefore, YU is a subspace of X tau, which is called relative topology. Next theorem: let YU be a subspace of X tau and ZW be a subspace of YU, then ZW is a subspace of X tau. Here, YU is a subspace of X tau. ZW is a subspace of YU. Here we have to show that this ZW is a subspace of X tau. Okay. First use the given conditions. Given that YU be a subspace of X tau, this implies Y is a subset of X. Call it equation number 1. Second one, it is given that ZW be a subspace of YU. This implies Z is a subset of Y. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write Z is a subset of Y is a subset of X. This implies Z is a subset of X. Okay. Now to show that ZW is a subspace of X tau if and only if W equals tau Z, where tau Z is topology for Z. Okay. Let Z belongs to W. Since ZW is a subspace of YU, it is given ZW is a subspace of YU, there exists H member of U such that G equals H intersection Z. Okay, this is by the definition of relative topology. Okay. Also, YU is a subspace of X tau. Then there exists A belongs to tau such that H equals A intersection Y. G equals H intersection Z. H can be written as A intersection Y intersection Z, or we can write A intersection Y intersection Z. Here Z is a subset of Y. From this condition, Z is a subset of Y. Then the intersection of Z and Y and Z should be smaller Z. Therefore, A intersection Y intersection Z is Z. A intersection Z. Using definition of topology, W belongs to tau Z. W is a subset of tau Z. Call it equation number 3. Conversely, let n belongs to tau z, then by the definition of tau z, then there exists an element A belongs to tau z such that n equals A intersection z. Since YU is a subspace of X tau, we have A intersection Y belongs to Q. Also, ZW is a subspace of YU, we have A intersection Y intersection Z belongs to W. A intersection Z is N. A intersection Y intersection Z is A intersection Z belongs to W. A intersection Z is N. N belongs to W. This implies tau Z is a subset of W. From 3, W is a subset of tau Z. From the 4, tau Z is a subset of W. We can write tau Z equals W.